Okay, a very warm welcome to all the interns that are coming in from today and starting to work with us in our sales and marketing team. Both me and Devakar, as co founders, we're excited to bring you on board. These are very crucial 2 months for you and equally for us because we are going in for a massive app upgrade that will happen very soon. A lot of new features coming in. We want all of you to, tell us how we can make it a massive success, how we can scale things up from here. We've got a bunch of cool ideas that we're trying to implement with all of you, and hopefully it should be a very collaborative and constructive couple of months. And we'll try and do this on a daily basis for anybody who's watching this so that you can get an insight as to how a startup is working while the pandemic is going on. It's been very challenging for a lot of startups, but I can vouch for it that it has been an immense learning curve for all of us combined. And on part of the startup community, I'm very excited with the way things are shaping up for all of us, and hopefully things will be better. And I hope whosoever is watching this is seeing this in a healthy space than they were before. So, thank you so much for watching this, and we'll be sharing a lot of updates now. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome to Animate. It's been a pleasure to have you, Simbi guys, in our organization as a trainee. And let's explore the journey of sales and marketing with your new generation energy and our experience, making it more fruitful for both of us. Let's start the journey. Bye bye, take care.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhijit and I am really excited to start my internship journey with Mutex developers. I am grateful for this opportunity. I think this internship will provide me a taste of the real world. This will help reinforce my knowledge of focus, ambition and responsibility. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Anagha Gangurde, student at SIBM Bengaluru. In the past 1 year of our MBA, we have learned a lot of theoretical concepts, frameworks and marketing models. So now during my internship with Animate, I would like to understand the practical aspect of marketing and how that would be a differentiating factor in our MBA journey and our future in marketing. Thank you.
Hello team, this is Nikhil. About my internship, apart from the sales, marketing and how to penetrate into market and how to improve the market share. Apart from this, I want to know about the disruptive ideology of the ed team and also about how to develop the startup business and how to identify the niche business, niche strategy. This is my insight. This is my initial thinking of the internship.
Hi, I'm Varsha Sharma. I'm currently pursuing my MBA from SIBM Bangalore and I will be joining my internship in Mutex Developer. Now, first of all, reason why Mutex itself sparks the enthusiasm in interns to join it, which is one-stop solution for pet care. Now, another thing is which highlights it is the website where you get to see the concept like Arjun, Yudhishthir, which shows that how a conducive environment is being built for the interns so that they feel so confident while they're putting up their ideas forward. I'm looking forward to an exciting experience ahead where I am able to put my best foot forward and take away some of the major learnings for my career ahead. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sri Harsha. I'm looking forward to learn and apply my past experience and knowledge in the practical world, thereby helping myself and Animate grow in the process. I'm expecting an enriching and exciting experience during my internship. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarvika Mishra and I'm glad to be a part of sales and marketing team at Mutex. I'm looking forward to work on project Animate. From this internship, I will learn various sales techniques which includes maintaining client relationships, understanding consumer behavior, generating sales leads and effective sales strategies of e-commerce. I'm sure that I will be able to learn and apply various digital marketing and social media marketing techniques which includes how to drive more traffic and how to create attractive content. Wishing that this would be a great learning experience for me under the guidance of Mutex team. Thank you.